Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am gonna show you mini eyeshadows. Yes, so these are the eyeshadows from NYB Blinking mini eyeshadows. Very affordable. The texture and colors are so good, so pigmentation. So let me start this video with swatches and everything. Yes, let's get into the video. So the first shade is this pinkish kind of a color, 23 Carnegie Hall. So this is how the packaging looks like. Look at this, how mini it is. Yeah, so this is under 100 rupees. Aram se you will get in offer, you'll get for 60, 70, 80 rupees as well. Yes, so let me show you the pigmentation. Wow, look at that pigmentation, it's so pretty. Literally it's a one swipe. It's a beautiful shade. So most of the time I use as a blush as well. Yeah, so the second shade is this one. This is in the shade 14 Empire State. Look at it, I have used it for several times as a highlighter and eyeshadow as well. These are shimmery eyeshadows. You can use as a highlighter, blush as well. So this is second shade which I am having. Yeah, pretty shades, both are so pretty. I love both shades are so good. You must try. Under 100 rupees you are getting the best one. So let me use this as a highlighter and I'll show you. So yeah, it's so pigmented. Yeah, yeah, so the shades are so pretty. It's a copperish kind of a color, so pretty. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So if yes, then like the button, subscribe my channel for more videos. Yes, so bye bye.